Here is the collection that we're going to be looking at. Let's bring it out. Oh, this is part of the collection we will be showing. Let's have a look over here. So what we're showing in December at the show is a collection of about 40 garments. There are about 15 suits or thereabout, and 15 jackets. And these have all been sort of hand curated by yours truly. What we've tried to achieve is what I call the ultimate comprehensive wardrobe. So we've gone through, we went through several videos where we looked at swatches and sort of how to go about picking swatches for different occasions, you know, for business, for casual wear, for dinner. So what I've done is in one collection, try to capture everything, 3 seasons, winter, summer, autumn, and different garments that can be worn in those seasons. This is a navy blazer. This is a linen suit. This is going to come out as a linen suit, a tobacco linen suit. You saw some of the swatches in my previous videos. But now you can start to see the garment take on a life of its own. So this is going to be a beautiful summer double-breasted jacket. This is a suit. This is a 2-piece summer suit. This is a winter double-breasted flannel suit, the ultimate flannel suit. This is going to come out as a dinner jacket. It's going to come out as a dinner jacket, short lapel. It's just a beautiful cream wool or angora made by W. Bill. This is from the W. Bill Lanala line. So this is going to come out as a beautiful dinner jacket. It's a shark skin suit by, again, the fabric is by Smith. Smith Woolens is a beautiful shark skin, a standard gray in every wardrobe. It's sort of a mid to lightish gray, but this is just such a beautiful 13-ounce fabric. This is sort of a check. This is a plaid check. This is the Glorious 12th. Porter and Harding. It's an English fabric. Again, a very versatile jacket in any wardrobe that can be worn sort of mid-season. This is going to be half-lined. So this is going to be an overcoat. Again, I mentioned in one of my videos that depending on your climate, you may or may not need an overcoat. But I decided, well, you know, why not just go ahead and make one? So we're going to make an overcoat. This is a 21-ounce overcoat made out of Harrison fabric. It's 100% wool. It's going to come out as a double-breasted, and it's going to look really beautiful with patch pockets and with a belt. But what we've also done is that we've picked, especially for the sport coat collection, some of the winter sport coats, we've also picked some trousers, odd trousers to go with the sport coat. So these are corduroys, you know, that go with the trousers, and so on and so forth. And there's still some fabrics here from the collection that haven't been cut. So we can't really look at them, but if you guys remember in one of the videos, we looked at the cloths, and these are sort of the last ones. These are going to be cut over the next 3 days, and they're going to be cut into first fittings or first or second fittings. They're going to look like that. And so when I come back from Milan, which is going to be in a few days, we're gonna try all this out. Bespoke is a very interesting business because you require a lot of imagination to be able to take a piece of cloth like this and see what it's going to look like when it comes out as a coat. And you know, it's expensive. So not a lot of people have the courage, if you want to put it that way, to invest in a process that they don't know anything about. So what we've done is collectively collaborate on this collection, and so that at the show in December, we can actually show these finished garments to people. It's easier to make a decision about what you like or what you don't like when you're actually looking at a finished garment, you know, versus when you're looking at just, you know, a piece of cloth. So that's about it, and I'm really looking forward to it. You know, a lot of work has gone into this, you know, starting from the procurement of the fabrics, you know, from Scotland. You know, these are all Scottish, these are all British fabrics. We decided to go with an all-English collection this time, or all-British collection. So these are all English fabrics, and made in an Italian way. So it's an interesting thing because you get to sort of see the English tradition in cloth, you know, essentially expressed through Italian tailoring, and that's just a beautiful combination that you don't see very often. As I said in my first video, it's going to be a lot of work, but this is going to come out as a beautiful. This is going to show really how much work and dedication and art these people here have. I mean, look at it. It's just everything here is done by hand. These guys have a passion. They have a passion for what they do, and you know, look at it. There's not one single industrial machine here. These guys are all artisans. They're all artists. You know, they have their different parts of the garment that they make, but collectively, these guys just make music. So that's it. You know, thank you for watching. It's been a great pleasure, and look forward to seeing you guys in December. Thank you.